Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to change region in X-Twitter on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open X-Twitter. First open the X-Twitter app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to your profile picture. Tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to open the menu. Step 3. Open Settings and Support. From the menu, tap Settings and Support, then select Settings and Privacy. Step 4. Go to Privacy and Safety. Now tap Privacy and Safety, then select Content CU. Step 5. Change location settings. Next tap on Explore Settings, then choose location. Select the country you want your trends and content to come from. Step 6. Update language preference. Go back and tap Language. Add the language you used in your target region to improve regional content suggestions. And that's how you can change your region on X-Twitter using iPhone settings. No VPN required. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.